Question number 4. The curve has the equation x square minus 3 times cos of y plus cos of cube of y is equals to 1. Find the exact gradient of the curve at the point 2 comma pi by 3. To find the gradient of the curve at given point, we need dy over dx. So first we find dy over dx of the given curve equation. So x square minus 3 times cos of y plus 4 times cos of cube of y is equal to 1. Derivate both sides. So in first term we will apply product rule, which is derivative of u v with respect to x is equals to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So in this case, this one is u, this one is v. U remains same, x square minus 3, and derivative of v, which is derivative of cos of y. Now cos of y remains same, and derivative of the u, which is derivative of x square plus 3 with respect to dx, plus 4 derivative of cos cube of y is equals to derivative of 1 with respect to. Now x square minus 3 derivative of cos of y is equals to negative sine of y, and derivative of y, which is dy over dx, plus cos of y remains same, derivative of x square is 2x, and derivative of constant is 0, plus 4 derivative of cos cube of y is equals to 3 cos of square of y, derivative of cos of y. This one is equal to derivative of constant 1, which is 0. Further solving, you will have negative sine of y times x square minus 3 times dy over dx plus 2x cos of y plus 4 times 3 is 12 cos square y, derivative of cos of y is negative sine of y, and then derivative of y, which is dy over dx, which is equal to 0. Now negative sine of y times x square minus 3 times dy over dx plus 12 cos square of y times negative sine of y dy over dx is equal to, when we switch middle term on the right side, we will have 2x cos of y negative. Okay, taking negative dy over dx common, so we will have dy over dx, which is negative, and this one will be equal to the sine of y times x square minus 3 plus 12 cos of square of y, and this one will be sine of y, which is equal to negative 2x cos of y. So this negative and this negative will be cancelled out, and we will have dy over dx is equals to the 2x cos of y over, this one will be equal to x square minus 3 times sine of y plus 12 cos of square of y sine of y. Further solving, we will have 2x cos of y over, taking sine of y common, so we will have x square minus 3 plus 12 cos square of y. So this one is dy over dx. We need to find the gradient at 2 comma pi by 3. So gradient is equals to derivative at the point 2 comma pi by 3. So this one is equals to 2 times x is 2 times 2, cos of y means cos of pi by 3 over sine of y means sine of pi by 3. In bracket we will have x square means 2 square minus 3 plus 12 times Cos square y means cos of pi by 3 square. 2 times 2 is 4. Cos of pi by 3 is 1 over 2 over sine of pi by 3 is under root 3 over 2 times 2 square means 4 minus 3 plus 12 times cos square of pi by 3, and pi by 3 is 1 by 2, so it will be 1 by 2 square. This will be equals to 2 over under root 3 over 2, and in bracket we will have 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 12 times 1 over 4. This one is equals to 3. So gradient is equals to the 2 over under root 3 over 2 times 1 plus 3, and this one is equals to 4 over under root 3 times 4. So 4 will be cancelled out and we will have gradient which is equals to the derivative at the point 2 comma pi by 3 is equals to 1 over under root 3, which was required.